Good afternoon, everyone. Dr. Michael Lofgren of the Plastic Surgery Center of Hampton Roads here. Today I'm going to do something just a little different. I've received some questions recently from patients about where I practice and where some of the procedures are done that you may have seen some videos for. So today I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough of our Newport News facility. We actually have two offices, but this is our primary office here, much larger of the two offices. But we do have a second office in the Williamsburg area of Virginia, if that's more convenient for you as well. But today I'm going to take you around, show you some of the operating rooms, some of the main patient care areas here. And I suggest that if you do have any questions about anything that you see, leave a comment below, or by all means just give us a call, make an appointment to come in and talk to me. But this is the main entrance at our office here. This is actually a pretty large office. We occupy quite a bit of space here. The other building behind us is where our skin care and our preoperative area is, but we have quite a large footprint here. But let's get started. Let me take you inside and show you where we work on a daily basis. I am one of 4 board-certified plastic surgeons that are partners in our practice here. I've been with the Plastic Surgery Center of Hampton Roads for going on 11 years now. When you first come into our building, you'll be greeted by our receptionist. This is where you would complete any initial intake paperwork. That will all be done electronically on iPads. From here, we move to the main treatment area where we see patients on a regular basis. We have a wide variety of different types of rooms that are specifically designed for the type of patient that we're going to be seeing. We'll first take a look at one of our consultation rooms. This is where we first meet patients and see what their goals are and discuss potential options for their treatment. Across the hall, we have several rooms that are designed specifically for patients after surgery. This is where we not only check on their healing, but also remove any sutures if necessary. We also have several procedure rooms where we'll be able to take a look at one in just a little bit, where we do minor surgical procedures. Through this door, this brings us to the main waiting room for our preoperative side of the building and our skin care. I'll do another video another day where I'll be able to introduce you to some of our people in the skincare department and show you some of the options that they provide as well. As we head back to the patient treatment area here, this is one of our standard preoperative rooms where we have patients come in on the day of surgery. They'll meet their nurse for the day, go over any paperwork that's necessary. They'll also meet their anesthesiologist, and this is where I'll talk to the patient as well and do any markings prior to their surgery. As we move through a couple of different hallways here, we're actually now headed towards the main operating rooms. We will pass through our recovery room on the way to the ORs. We are a fully accredited ambulatory surgery facility here. We are within 5 minutes of our region's large tertiary care referral hospital if there was any type of emergency. All of the surgery we do here is day surgery. We do not admit patients or keep them overnight in our facility. If that was necessary, we would do the surgery at the hospital to begin with. Now we're actually to our operating rooms. We have 2 identical operating rooms directly across from each other. Here we have board-certified anesthesiologists that do our anesthesia for us. We do have the capability to do both open as well as endoscopic type surgeries, such as transaxillary breast augmentations and endoscopic brow lifts. As we move out of the operating rooms, we actually go back to the recovery room. We have the capability to recover up to 7 patients at the same time. Patients are usually with us for about a half an hour to an hour after their surgery, just to make sure they're very comfortable and stable. We'll go over their discharge instructions with them there as well. As we move back through the main part of our facility, this is one of our procedure rooms that's designed specifically for small surgical procedures done under local anesthesia. As we move further around the facility, this is actually one of our photo labs here where we take pictures both before and after procedures for documentation. And then moving back towards reception, we'll actually come to the checkout desk where patients will make any follow-up appointments that are necessary. And then that completes this portion of the tour and back out into the reception area. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your brief tour of our facility here in Newport News. If you do have any questions about what you've seen today or would like to find out more information, please check out our website at PSCHR.com or give us a call, 757-873-3500. I'd love to meet with you sometime and be able to show you around personally. Take care.